The next question number 5 of class 9th maths, chapter triangle, exercise 7.1. Okay, so in this what is given, line L is bisector of angle A, means this angle A is bisected by this line, therefore this angle is equals to this is. If L is the bisector of this angle A, then B is a point on this line L. BP and BQ are perpendicular. This line BP and BQ are the perpendiculars on this, on the arms of angle A, then so that these two parts we are going to prove in this. Okay, so friends, you need to write down given to prove is given, and after that proof. To prove and then afterwards. So given and to prove you have to write down. Proof I am just going to explain you. Right? What? Proof I am going to explain. So friends, let us see the proof of these two questions. These two questions of this one. So first of all, let us consider these two triangles. Okay? So consider triangle APB and triangle AQB. Right? These two triangles we are going to compare. Okay, as it is given this, L is the bisector of angle A. L is the bisector of angle A. So therefore, since line L is bisector of angle A, therefore in these two triangles, angle ABP means this angle will be equals to, means angle PAB of this triangle, angle PAB is equals to angle QAB of that triangle, QAB of this triangle, because of this, right? So this PAB is the angle of this triangle and QAB is the angle of this triangle, right? एक एंगल दोनों ट्रायंगल के इक्वल मिला है. After that, this angle Q is equals to angle P. They are 90 degree each other, as it is given that they are perpendiculars. Therefore, angle Q in this APB, angle P equals to AQB, angle Q, 90 degree each. Reason is P is perpendicular, BP is perpendicular on AP and BQ is perpendicular on AQ, which is given, right? Okay, they are 90 degree each. So two angles of these two triangles we are getting equal, two angles, and side AB is common in both. देख रहे हैं? Side AB, this side is common in both the triangle. Therefore, both the triangles are congruent by angle side congruence rule. Therefore, triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB by its reason was common, by angle side congruence rule. Right friends, as these two triangles are congruent, therefore as these two triangles are congruent, so let us see its corresponding parts by the rule of CPCT. Is this BP, second and third letter, is equals to QB, therefore PB is equals to QB. If PB is equals to QB by CPCT, PB is equals to QB, therefore what is This, based on this, PB is equals to BQ. B is equidistant from the lines AQ and AP. Therefore, you can say B is equidistant from AP and AQ, or you can say that B is equidistant from the arms of angle A, right? So this was your first part and this was your second part, right friends?